Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Asrin binti Nargas Puri. The first one I will explain about the introduction and evolution. Elrah exclusive is a primary or contemporary Malay traditional. The founder created by Bumi Putra entrepreneur Muhammad Azlan Ismail, widely known as Al Azman. Evolved from a small, low-cost pilot setup into a multi-million ringgit business and empire under Elrah Group Sdn Bhd. Shift from conventional retail to integrate distribution chain with mega logistic hubs. Market and product. Core segment specialized in Syariah compliant menswear, focus on baju Melayu, kurta and jubah. Innovation famous for modern Muslim and tailor, cuts using wrinkle-free, sweat-absorbing premium fabric. Target audience. Geography expand from Malaysia into regional market like Brunei.
Assalamualaikum and good morning, Doctor. My name is Muhammad Asivitri. Today I will present about team dynamic. Team dynamic is refer to interaction and communication among team members that help them achieve goals organization. At Elrah Exclusive, teamwork is important because different departments such as marketing, sales, customer service, logistics and finance need to work together. Good team dynamics improve productivity, communication and customer satisfaction. Elrah Exclusive follows Tuckman 5 stage of team development. Teams begin with forming, where employees learn their responsibilities. During storming, conflict may occur. In norming, trust and cooperation develop. At the performing stage, team work efficiently, while adjourning involves reviewing performance. Different team members also play important roles, such as marketing staff promoting product and managers coordinating teamwork. Several factors affect team performance, including leadership, group cohesiveness, group norms, individual characteristics, and team size. Effective teamwork provides many benefits such as higher productivity, better service quality, and customer satisfaction. Although challenges like miscommunication and conflict may occur, they can be overcome through clear communication, strong leadership, and defined responsibility. In conclusion, effective team dynamic are important for the success of Elrah Exclusive. Thank you.
On this slide, I will explain about the types of power used in Elrah Exclusive. In this organization, power is mainly concentrated in the founder and managing director, which is Al Azman. First is legitimate power, which comes from an individual's formal position in an organization. As the managing director, Al Azman has the authority to make important decisions such as business strategies, company expansion, and the overall direction of the organization. Next is expert power, where the power comes from his knowledge, skills, and experience in the fashion industry, branding, and marketing. His expertise allows employees to trust his decision and leadership. Besides that, Al Azman also has reference power because employees and business partners respect and admire his achievement as a successful entrepreneur. This respect helps to create employee loyalty and commitment towards the company. Another type of power is reward power. As the managing director, Al Azman has the ability to provide rewards such as bonuses, promotions, and incentives to employees who perform well. This helps increase employee motivation and encourages better performance. Lastly, informational power comes from his access to important company information such as sales performance, financial resources, and operational activities. This information helps him making make effective strategic decision. Overall, these different types of power allow Al Azman to lead employees, manage the organization, and support the growth of Elrah Exclusive. Next is organizational politics in Elrah Exclusive. Organizational politics happens when individuals or departments try to influence decisions, gain support, or obtain resources within the organization. The first example is politics in decision making in Elrah Exclusive. Different departments such as human resources, operation, and financial have different priorities. Therefore, they need to present strong proposal and justification to gain approval from top management. The second example is networking and relationship building. Employees and managers may develop a professional relationship with influential individuals to gain support for their new projects or ideas. Effective networking can improve communication and teamwork between departments. The third example is politics in resource allocation. As ELRA exclusive continues to grow, departments may compete for resources such as budgets, manpower, and technology. Each department needs to provide proper reason and data to support their request. The final example is branding and reputation management. ELRA exclusive mainly use social media, influencer, and marketing strategies to create a positive image and strengthening their customer trust. This is also considered political behavior because the company tries to influence how people perceive their brand. And in conclusion, organizational politics is not always negative. When managed properly and fairly, it can help ELRA exclusive improve their decision making, encourage cooperation, and achieve organizational goals. That's all from me.
My name is Mirza Yushira. I would like to talk about the culture and conflict in ELRA organization. First, ELRA Group practices a culture of innovation, high performance, entrepreneurship, and teamwork. These values help the company improve its products, achieve goals, and support business growth. Next, several conflicts may occur within the organization. These include conflicts between departments, especially between the marketing and operation teams when demand increases. Differences in decision-making, competition among agents and stockists, and interpersonal conflicts among employees may also arise. To manage these conflicts, ELRA emphasizes effective communication, regular meetings, strong leadership, mutual respect, and feedback channels. This approach helps prevent misunderstandings and ensure that issues are resolved quickly.
Based on our analysis, we have 3 recommendations for ELRA Group Sdn Berhad. First, ELRA should strengthen teamwork by encouraging more collaboration between departments through regular meetings and team building activities. This can improve coordination and reduce misunderstandings. Second, the company should enhance its organizational culture by investing its employee development, such as training and mentoring programs, while also recognizing and rewarding employees for their contribution. This helps increase motivation and engagement. Lastly, ELRA should improve communication by establishing clear communication channels and a formal conflict resolution process. Providing conflict management training for managers can also help resolve issues effectively. Overall, this recommendation can improve teamwork, employee satisfaction, and organizational performance, contributing to the company's long-term success.
Assalamualaikum and good morning, Doctor. I am Inta Syairah binti Rahman and I will represent to you about conclusion of ELRA company. First is core business philosophy. People first. We'll see ELRA focus on employee well-being, mental health, and good relationship, not just profit. Connected levels. Success is driven by aligning the company's system, teams, and individual employees. Second is conflict and leadership. Smart conflict resolutions. We'll see soft territory or customer competition between agents, stockists, and staff using a professional reporting system. Strong leadership. Managers are trained in communication and conflict resolution to protect the brand and turn negative rivalry into teamwork. Third, the 5-phase strategic process input. Fix and improve communication. Process. Use trained leaders who handle complaints fairly. Climate. Remove toxic element to create a safe workplace. Behavior. Keeps employees happy, motivated, and stress-free. Output. Achieve the company long-term business goals. And the lastly is future directions. Go global. Maintain these steps to expand from the local market to the international market. Be proactive. Shift the culture from just reacting to problems to actively preventing them. Build trust. Improve transparency and reduce waste time to keep performance high.